If jeans is on your mind, this video is for you guys. In this video, you are gonna see ripped jeans, patchwork jeans, as well as geometric jeans. What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the Zara jeans haul. Zara is one of my favorite brand when it comes to jeans because of few reasons. One, of course, the fit. They nail the fit, whatever the fit you opt for, be it slim, skinny, regular, straight, anything. Number two, designs. You are not limited to designs, be it the trending designs or be it the basic options. You are covered with it. Number three, durability. If you take care of them nicely, you can use them at least for 3 to 4 years. A quick disclaimer, guys. These are the jeans which you need to invest if you're already covered with the basic jeans option. In case if you're not covered with the basic option, this may not be the video for you or this may not be the jeans for you. Having said that, starting with the jeans number one, it is a black ripped skinny jeans from Zara that I got it in a size of 32, which equals to EU 42. It is priced at 2,990 rupees. These jeans earlier it used to be at a price point of 2,290, but as mentioned earlier, Zara do increase their prices every single season, and right now these are at a price point of 3,000 rupees. And when it comes to the composition of all the next three jeans you are going to see in this video, it's 99% cotton and 1% elastin. Having the 1% elastin composition certainly helps in terms of stretch, and these are really comfortable to wear. I really like this ripped jeans from Zara because here they have shreds, there are no holes, no scrapes, they have just the shreds, and that too the color being black. Even though the ripped jeans are not super versatile options, you should have one in your wardrobe, but these are not the super versatile options in general because you can't wear this for each and every specific occasion or scenarios. So certainly being in this black color and having a minimal distress to it really helps. Now let's talk about the fit. These are the skinny fit jeans. Generally Zara skinny fit jeans fit really well. In case if you're looking for slim fit options also, they do have the ripped options and slim fit as well. However, I like skinny fit or regular or relaxed fit, so I have gone with this option. When it comes to skinny fits from Zara, generally my size is 32. In general, my size for all the other trousers or any slim fit option or relaxed fit from Zara would be 31, but for skinny fit I generally go for size 32 because with washes I observed that they are gonna become super skinny, even though they fit you a little bit like a slim fit at the start, but not to worry guys, anyway post few washes generally they are going to fit you like a proper skinny fit jeans. Moving on to the jeans number 2 and 3. Why I'm combining both these jeans? Because these are two similar jeans in two different washes when it comes to blue color. One is the medium wash and other is a light wash. Both are the skinny fit ripped options and both I got it in a size of 32 and both of them are priced at 3,000 rupees. These are the proper summer colors when it comes to the bottom wear in specific for the jeans to have. I'm not a big fan of the wash jeans when it comes to light wash, but after trying it, I really like this light wash because it's more versatile than we think. When it comes to the top wear, it goes well with the darker colors as well as the lighter colors and even with the pastel colors. And yes, with few of the colors, it's gonna have too much contrast because the shade being very light. This medium wash jeans from Zara, I feel that it's a nice balance between the light as well as dark wash. Of course, the name itself is a medium wash, but this color of the jeans, I feel that it's gonna go well with most of the colors in your wardrobe. So even though you're gonna get a different vibe using a light wash jeans, I feel that medium wash is something that can give most value for what you pay. Of course, these are the ripped jeans. Now let's talk about the rips, and my opinion differs for both of them. When it comes to the medium wash jeans, the shreds are on both sides at the knees area and it looks really great, and they have the scrapes at top as well as at the hem area. That's fine. And they don't have any holes at all. And when it comes to the light wash also, they don't have any holes and they have the scrapes, that is fine. When it comes to the shreds, they have them at thigh area. Even though as cool as it looks, they have these shreds or ripped portions at the thigh area, which I'm not comfortable and which doesn't look presentable as well. And with more wear and tear and with more washes, it's gonna look even worse. That's something you need to consider when you're opting for these jeans. If I have to pick only one, I would go with the medium wash option. Moving on to the jeans number 4, of course, a white jeans. White jeans, generally I would recommend you guys to go with a solid white jeans without any distress at all because it's a super versatile option. However, if you're already covered with that, here you go with the white ripped skinny jeans from Zara in a size 32. When it comes to material composition, it's the same, 99% of cotton and 1% of elastin. However, I'm not a big fan of where exactly the holes are there for this jeans. And as I mentioned earlier, the width of the hole, it should not exceed past the leg area. Here, because of that, generally it's going to look a little bit bulged or out of place when you sit or when you stand as well. That's something which you need to consider for these jeans. Apart from this, I really like how it fits, and also the quality of jeans is really great. And when it comes to wide ripped jeans, this is not something which most of the brands offer, nor most of the guys use. So if you want any standard option among these colors, this should be the color you should be having in your wardrobe. But those holes and the width of the holes is something you need to consider. Moving on to the jeans number 5 and my most favorite among all the jeans in this video. It's a blue color medium wash patchwork skinny jeans from Zara that I got it in a size of 32 and it is priced at 4,600 rupees. Yes, it is super pricey, 1,600 more than the normal Zara options. And as I mentioned earlier, medium wash when it is compared to the light wash, it goes well with majority of the colors in your wardrobe. That's why I love it. And of course, the design of this jeans is what that matters to me. The fit is gonna be the same, the material composition is gonna be the same as the 3,000 rupees jeans, but here the patchwork that has been differentiated with the rest of the jeans you are gonna see in this video. And let me show that very quickly. Here, if you can see, they have color coordinated this patch and have a slight distress to it. On top of this distress patch, they have one more patch going on in a medium wash but slightly on the darker tone. I really love this attention to detail. And when it comes to the other side, they have this exactly color coordinated patch, albeit with a slightly distressed hem to the stitching. Apart from that, the jeans look so clean. So I consider this as something which can be a statement option but still can work for most of the scenarios or occasions because it's not exactly a distressed option that doesn't look presentable because your skin is being exposed. This do not have anything as such, and overall it's a medium wash. Of course, it's a skinny fit, it's gonna fit you well, and as mentioned earlier, I went with the size 32. Moving on to the jeans number 6 and the last jeans for this haul video. It's a medium wash blue color geometric jeans from Zara that I got it in a size of 32. It is also priced at 4,590 rupees. When it comes to the fit of the jeans, it's a straight fit jeans with that reinforced pocket which looks super cool. If you are looking for a printed jeans that can be super bold, this jeans is for you because the prints are all over it. But the good part is that it's in the medium wash and it have a slight fade to it. And the second highlight factor would be the pockets here, the reinforced huge pockets. These are not the general pockets which you can use for practical utility purpose. These are just for stylistic purpose. And also this jeans being in the straight fit, this altogether gives a street style vibe. However, a minor disqualifier for this jeans would be the overall length. Because of the inseam length being more, it generally gets stacked up at the end. Having said that, these are the 6 jeans I got from Zara very recently. And I hope you guys like this video. If you did so, don't forget to click the like down below. And also, it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to this channel. That's it from me. See you next time.